How to remove history in Netflix. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove history in Netflix. First, open the Netflix application on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Netflix home screen, locate the Continue Watching row. This row displays the movies and series you've recently watched or started watching. Now find the movie or series you want to remove from your watch history. Then, tap on the three dots located below the title. This will open a menu with more options. In the menu, tap on Remove from Row. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the title. Tap on OK to confirm. As you can see, the title has been removed from your Continue Watching list. If you want to remove other titles as well, simply repeat the process. Tap on the three dots under each movie or series you want to remove. Select Remove from Row and confirm by tapping OK. By doing this, you can clear out your Continue Watching list, keeping only the titles you want to see. And that's it. You've successfully removed items from your Netflix watch history. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.